Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we bring to you the watch face of the day. Now this one here, Tina Dial gets it for uniqueness and creativity. I think she slammed this one. This is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, worthy of a download in my opinion. So remember, download ASAP right after the video. Cool? Now the name of the watch face is called Tina Dial 665. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face is on. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit. But when the watch face is on, Tina is very good with the animation that she creates here. I love it. I like how it looks in the center. I love a unique way to tell time. And you get your hour right here with this little red arrow, and then you get with the smaller one your minutes. So I like the look, and the design to me is on point. I like a watch face, as I said before, that stands out among the rest, and this one does the job. Now if you look down at the bottom, you get shortcuts for everything that I could possibly need. So right here you get your music player, and it is inactive, so you can tap on it and go right into it. Same thing with your phone call. You can make a phone call. You get your battery info, S Health, and of course right here you can go in and check your emails. So I thought Tina did an awesome job with this watch face. Tina, we're giving you 2 thumbs up for this one. Continue to do what you do. I like what you offer in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all. At the end of the day, you know it's all up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And with that, make sure you hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you didn't, listen, hit the like button anyway, all right? It's not going to hurt you. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you want to see more videos like this. And make sure you hit the notification bell on the way out. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. Peace out.